everyone, this is Sun. So today we're going to do a little bit different of a video. I'm going to show you my hair journey and all my hair colors that I've had from the beginning, and it's going to be a long slideshow, so sit back, drink some water or tea. I got some water right here. I know I'm in a different setting. I'm going to show the video here or the slideshow right here. And if I'm looking this way, it's because I'm looking at my laptop showing you guys here. Starting off with summer 2012. Before this, I colored my hair like a red color, and I attempted to bleach my hair, and that's why it looks like this. I kind of just bleached like the bottom half of it. In the beginning, I wanted my hair to be purple. That's why I started dyeing my hair, and in 2011 was when I began coloring my hair. I just don't have any photos anymore, and it was like I was trying to make it purple. It ended up like a red color. I bleached part of my hair. I don't know why. I just took some strands and bleached it and then colored it that purple color, which turned red. It comes to this slide, which is summer 2012, where I bleached half of my hair, and it's really uneven. It's not an ombre. I just kind of drew a line and just colored it. It was like 14. This pink color is actually chalk, it's not dye. And then spring of 2013, I bleached all of my hair. I decided that I liked that color, so I kept it for a while. Summer of 2013, this is when my hair is toned to a nice blonde color. I use box bleach. I feel like everyone used box bleach at that time, but I use a box color. Then in that same summer, I colored the top half of my hair like a darker brown color, just so that I could have an ombre. Fall of 2013, that's when it faded. I really liked that color. Especially at that time, I looked really good with that color. The brownish color faded. Winter of 2013, I colored all of my hair blue. And don't do the mistake that I did back then. I literally took the color and put it all in my hair. It went everywhere. There was blue on my sheets, there was blue on my pillows. Then February of 2014, that blue faded out to a nice purple. It was really nice. And again, this color stained everything. The color came off so easily, like that blue color, it came off so easily. I had to dye it multiple times because I didn't use conditioner. I just put the color straight on. Now always dilute your color with conditioner, unless the color is like a semi-permanent or permanent dye that you have to mix developer with. And at that time, I used Manic Panic, and it was just not good. April of 2014, I bleached my hair again. My hair was very damaged at that time already, since I bleached it from a dark purple color to a bleached white color. The same box dye that I used before that toned my hair into like a nice blonde color, I used that same box dye. June 2014, I cut off my hair. This was the first time I cut my own hair short, and I was so scared. I still have the video. I wasn't scared up until the point that I held the scissors to my hair like this. I was literally like this. Insert the clip here.
You know, whatever, so I'm going to cut it now. Oh my gosh, I didn't know I would be this scared to cut my own hair. So right here, right above the rubber band, I'm going to cut it.
Like freaking out, my heart started beating really fast because that was the first time I cut my hair short. But I loved it. I loved the short hair. So that was June 2014. July 2014, I made my hair like this lilac color. I loved it a lot and diluted the color so that it would be this nice purple color. That was the first time that I got the purple color that I wanted, besides the time that it faded from blue to purple. But yeah, that was not on purpose. July 2014, I had to touch up this lilac lavender color a lot because, you know, pastel colors fade very easily. So in July, I colored the bottom half blue, and I love this color. When you do your hair half of one color and half of the other, like I have it now, like half blonde, it's just looks really nice. September of 2014, the color faded and my hair was growing out, so it was from July to September. October 2014, I decided to color my hair black. I have no clue why. What I did is I used a box dye, colored like half of it, and then the rest just faded into the hair, and that's why you see like the grayish ends, is because the black faded into like my blonde purple hair. At that point, I was like, I can't wait until I color my hair gray, because gray is my favorite color. Gray is still my favorite color. No one can ever guess that. December 2014, I chopped it off again. You can tell the difference. And my hair just faded. The tips faded as well. That's why you see the blonde instead of like the gray or black tone. March of 2015. 2015 was when I was 18. Bleached my hair, and I did a really bad job in bleaching it. I actually damaged my hair a lot at that time, and I was so scared. I was so sad. I couldn't even get excited for college. I ran out of 30 volume developer and I used 40 volume to bleach a second time. On top of that, I colored it, and on top of that, I tried going to the salon to fix it, and they didn't fix it. In person, it was like a gray green color. It was just not a good color. I went back to blue, since blue was something that I knew I could have and I could maintain very well. Just kept putting blue on. I had blue for like a whole year. Almost the end of that year, I still had blue, and I had blue from August 2015 to June 2016. My hair grew out, and then I cut it in June 2016. Also in June, I bleached it twice and I colored it gray, and this time it finally turned the gray color I wanted. And you can see that it's still very brassy in June 2016. In September 2016, I used Wella Color Charm 050 Cooling Violet, and I used that whole thing, and it turned my hair into like this nice dark gray color, and I loved it. December 2016, I bleached my hair even lighter and toned it again with a gray, and I have this nice light gray color. January 2017 is the same. I just bleached my roots at that time, so that's why it looks different in January 2017. That's my favorite hair color. Like, besides this other color that I'm going to show you guys, January 2017 was probably my favorite color, because it took me a long time to get there, and that's what I wanted, was the light gray. Maintaining it was fine because I just used purple shampoo. September 2017, I bleached my roots again. February 2018, I decided to color my hair pink for Valentine's Day, so that's what happened. March 2018, my roots grew out. It was still pink, it was just faded. May 2018, that's when all the pink faded and back to this gray color. And how I did that, I didn't color my hair gray at all during that time. Kept washing my hair with purple shampoo, and then that got rid of the pink. All right, let's catch a breath here. July 2018, I didn't color my hair purple here. It has a hint of purple because of how long I have shampooed my hair up until that point. Purple shampoo stain your hair after a long period of time, so I use purple shampoo for, by that time it's been over a year. September 2018, I thought I'd do something that I would have never thought I did, was color my hair red. This was like a new phase in life. I was going through a lot during 2018 and in the end of 2017. October 2018, wow, look at this color. This color is everyone's favorite color because of the way it just like ombres into like this light pink color. It went from black to red to pink to light pink. This is what it looked like when the red faded out. December 2018, I decided to color my hair like a bluish gray color. January 2019, I cut off all my hair again. I always go back to cutting off all my hair, but that was the longest I've had my hair. So December 2018, that was the longest I've had my hair since I started coloring my hair. I bleached it again. This time the bleach didn't go as well as that first time I bleached it to be gray. For some reason my hair was just more damaged. April 2019, I lightened it even more, got to like a light gray color. May 2019, I decided to color my hair purple again for EDC because it was just like EDC colors. July 2019, I'm trying different things out with my hair. So my bangs here, I've always had baby bangs like this. It's just that in July 2019, I just cut it even shorter and I put this hot pink red color in the front strand, like here and here. September 2019, I colored my hair. Half of my hair was gray and the bottom half of my hair was red. I do have a video on this, but I just never uploaded it. That red color in July just faded out, like that pink red color just faded out nicely. December, I colored my hair blue. February of this year, again, Valentine's Day, I decided to do my hair pink. And this time, you can see my roots are a very light color because I bleached my hair again. But I let my roots grow out too long, so that's probably why my hair was so damaged. The bleach went onto already bleached hair, which is pretty bad. And I colored it gray. The top part was gray, the bottom part was pink. Color I don't really like because the light gray to the hot pink color just didn't look nice. Like, I'd rather have it a dark color to a light color. But it faded out nicely. March 2020, here you can see that it faded out. May 2020, I colored my front strands purple. So I colored like these two strands like this. I just colored it purple. May 2020, it just faded out into this nice purple color. It was purple and gray. It just faded to that color. So July 2020, I colored my hair red again, except this time the color tells you that you're supposed to use developer with it, but instead I accidentally used conditioner with it. So it was this red color instead of, I'll go back and show you what the red color is supposed to look like. It's supposed to look like this nice bright red color, but it ended up being like a purple red color. Later on, I used Arctic Fox color and I colored over it, and it's like this nice red color. Arctic Fox is my ultimate favorite. August, which was a couple months ago, I chopped my hair off, so that's why you see short hair now. And then September, which is last month, this is the last one, was when I bleached the bottom half of my hair. So you can see I bleached the bottom half of my hair. I have a hair tutorial on that too. That's all for the slideshow. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked my hair journey. Thank you for following my hair journey. I don't know if I'm going to make another video like this. If I am, I'm not going to start in the beginning. It's a long slideshow. It took me a while to make the slideshow. I can't even count the times that I've colored my hair because I've colored my hair a lot of times in between like slides that you didn't see, like the blue. If you have any questions, comments, please leave them below. I'm not a hairstylist. I'm not a cosmetologist. I've done this for myself since I was 14, so I've colored my hair for a long time. Hope I can get my cosmetology license soon, go to school for cosmetology. For now, I'm just gonna color my hair and play around with it. Make sure you subscribe, follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, and make sure you check out my shop, which is euphoricsun.com. My Instagram is shop.euphoricsun. Go buy some cute lashes like the ones I'm wearing right now. And yeah, that's all. Bye-bye. 轻抚白黄雪人间，将一寸霜。北望临摹白白一世无双。鬼面似笑，又好似心伤。